Hello everybody, welcome to my part 2. This is where I'm actually setting up the software, updating my RC controller and also the Maverick DJI Mini 3 Pro to actually use it to fly. And this is one of the cases where I am so glad I'm an Android user. Reason why is to charge these, they use USB-C. So luckily, because I'm an Android user, get my Fold here. What was it? Yeah, I got my Fold here. Wow, it really catch your eye really fast. But yeah, I had plenty of USB-C cords for me to actually charge these devices with. So let me just get started here. I'll flip that around so you guys can see. All right, good beeps. All right, it's on. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Device is starting. And I'm gonna pick English. I'm gonna forget to read that and agree. And the United States. Wi-Fi network. Ooh, I gotta get a Wi-Fi network. Okay, this is the part where I have no idea what my Wi-Fi is, so I'll be right back when I find that out. Sorry for that cut. Accepted my Wi-Fi. So, here we go to click the next screen. And now it says to choose. Ooh, that zoom is horrible. Let me see if I can get it back. There we go. Now it says to choose the time zone. Not there, not there. Eventually, I'll see my time zone. So I'm in Eastern Standard Time. So eventually I'll get somewhere in the US here. Pick that. No, no, no. Shoot, I might have to look this up too. So, you think it'd have some American cities, man? Because I'm definitely nowhere near this. Not in Dublin. Oh, wait, I think I'm closer. So I'm not in Buenos Aires. Not in Newfoundland. Not in Barbados. Wait, here you go, here you go. Eastern Time. Alright. Okay, next. Yes. Ooh, what time is it right now? Phone here. Okay, yeah, it's that one. Oh, okay. So good news is I do have a DJI account because luckily one of my buddies bought me the DJI gimbal. Bad part is I don't remember it off the top of my head, so I'll be right back when I have my login details. Alright, so it said, no, I don't want to join any improvement project right now. Alright. Start guide. Okay, now it's just teaching me how to use this. A little bit of controls. Hopefully I can read this later. Oh, start. Swipe horizontally from edge of screen this to return to previous screen. Got it. Left, just kill. It's camera zoom, cool. Record, shutter. So you get a little know what to do, which is great because I don't think this thing has like some of the other drones, some of the other controllers had like a simulator you could download to pretend to fly your drone. So this one doesn't. So I guess this one would be like me flying it for real. So I'm kind of glad it has this little tutorial right here. Okay, so yeah, solid red, aircraft not connected, solid green is connected. And then solid yellow front waiting update, so that's good. Yellow. Yeah, I had a teacher who what was it? He was teaching us how to use RC planes, and he was like, "Yeah, don't put your antenna towards there because the antenna top is a weak spot. So it's gonna be interesting to have to unlearn. You actually have to point your controller to the drone to have like the best device, best reception here." So, right. So hopefully it's in the login info. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, it isn't. It's just me not doing the resource data and loading here. It's loading pretty fast. Hopefully this video doesn't go too long. That's a cool video. Okay, shoot, I do have to unfold it. So, unfolding the first time. So this one, I've heard it doesn't matter how you unfold it. So that was good because I think the Maverick 2 is like a specific way to unfold it, or else you'd like break things. So I'm really hoping people are telling me the truth on that. So swing this down here. And then swing this down over here. So that's unfolded. And then slide the battery into the battery compartment, which I'm thinking already is. Yeah, because the battery is right here. Because how you can tell on the 3 is this battery compartment here. It actually is where the the weight of it is written, because you can buy now the extended batteries that actually make it too heavy to use this without paying the FAA $5 if you're in the US at least. So that's how I know the battery's already in there. So slide the battery, which it is, and then short press the aircraft power button, then press and hold the power on. Okay, it looks like I gotta get it figured out again. I'm gonna pause the video, and I gotta come back when I can figure it out. Alright, I think I found something. It's, oops, that wasn't it. So, it's connection guide, and then aircraft setup, which is the screen we were on. And then while I was searching for the aircraft, I clicked unable to connect, and it says press and hold the power button on the other side of it. And then 4 seconds to try it again here. In the meantime, at least let's get this updated here. So, ooh, okay, here's the first one. So it says update available. So I'm gonna download the remote control firmware update here, and it's gonna download here as 4%. So I'm gonna leave that on, and we're gonna come back when that gets done. Everybody, as you can see on the screen here, let me point it down a little bit. The firmware software has installed, so I'm gonna exit out of that, and I'm gonna go. It also needs other updates here. So settings. Okay, so this one should be good. I'm just gonna double check it just in case. Firmware is up to date, and then the fly safe database. Oh, connection. So, all right. So that one. Now I gotta start actually like being able to connect this here. So I'm gonna see if I can turn on my drone, get this connected again. So I have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off the charger. Okay, it's unfolded. So I'm gonna take the battery here, slide out. So that's the battery. Slide the battery into the battery compartment. Short press the power button. Then press and hold to power it on. Okay. Yeah, this one. Longest 4 seconds of my life. wonder if it has to be like fully charged. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try to fully charge and see if I can get it to pair. Something. I don't know what I pushed. I just kept pushing buttons until something happened. Looks like it actually worked though. So that's the important part. Okay, so I'm activating it. And once you do this, it's bound to this controller, which is fine because it's the only drone I got. So sorry to get that on camera. It was kind of like sudden. I didn't know what I was pushing. I was just holding down buttons until like clicks started happening. So GG on that. GG on that. Oh shoot, there's more clicks. I don't know why it's still clicking. All right. Start aircraft. Got really cool assortment of lights here. Gonna have myself a party when I start flying this thing. Activation successful. That's good. I'm gonna skip that for now, but I can see why people want to buy it. So I gotta update the drone now. So now it's updating the drone here. Oh shoot, now that it's actually connected, now I can start charging again. We have half battery on this. Alright, so we still charging now. Alright, I'll come back when it fully updates the drone. Just a little update. I'm just going to cut this in, but I finally got the drone connected, and it's currently downloading the fly safe data. I don't know if it gets to the screen. It has updated successfully, but I still got to get the drone updated. So, setting. Go install. So once the drone finished updating, I'm gonna come back to you guys because I don't want to make you guys watch that whole update process.